In lightning video and lightning pictures, every once in a while, you'll see something that might be a little odd, like this, a strange vertical band or pillar of light. Look closer. The band did not actually happen, but the video makes it seem that it did. This is part of the process of capturing images on many smartphones and cameras. It's known as a rolling shutter. For every frame a camera with a rolling shutter records, the image is captured in a scan by the same process used to scan a piece of paper, except it's much, much faster. On my camera, the scan is from top to bottom, but when I turn the camera vertically, the rolling shutter scan becomes side to side. Since lightning can quickly get too bright for a camera, you get bright bands in the picture controlled by where the scan is when the lightning strikes. Compare these same lightning strikes frame by frame, one recorded in portrait and the other in landscape. What you end up with depends on the shape of the lightning, how much it flickers, and where the scan of the frame is when it flashes. When lightning is recorded in landscape mode, the lightning usually crosses the scan so that part of the frame is really bright while the other part is not. It's not supernatural, it's simply how cameras with rolling shutters capture images of lightning. I'm meteorologist Alan Seals.